Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the glasswort and shrimp fried rice recipe in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, this is new recipe from the Call of Wheels event, guys. At first, I thought that this recipe can be unlocked after I level up my cooking hobby, but turns out we can purchase the recipe from Masimo's Cooking Store. First, you're going to go to Masimo. He's at the Wellfall Canyon, and then you're going to talk to him, open up the cooking store, and you're going to scroll down, and you will see the fried rice recipe, glasswort and shrimp fried rice. Okay, it cost 400 golds. Okay, don't forget to learn the recipe. And we can only cook this recipe with the normal stove. So I'm gonna go back to my home and use my stove. Okay, now let's just start cooking. I'm gonna use my normal stove and I'm going to open the fried rice recipe, this one. We need patty and the glasswort and also this common prawn. Okay, I'm going to start cooking. Done. And I've just made the glasswort and shrimp fried rice. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the glasswort and shrimp fried rice recipe in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!